Okay, here I am. I'm ready to glaze my bowl. Well, you need to know where you find all of this stuff. First of all, the big bucket. This is your base color. It's going to be a GT or M series. I selected aqua green, not aqua green. I selected turquoise, which is a G series gloss. I will stir this up and then dip my bowl in it. But first, before we get to that, I have a rubber scraper, which you find over there above the mixing whisks. The tub is actually labeled rubber scraper, a dipping tongs, which is above the mixing whisks. This is a mixing whisk that's hanging on the board, and you also retrieve this. You will have the choice of using either one of these, but you need to learn how to use both of them. I also have a container of water that I'm going to use to clean off the bottom of my bowl after I dip it. My bowl is on a square board and a banding wheel. This makes it simpler for you to be able to glaze. My turquoise, I pull the lid off. I use my mixing wicks. I stick it in. The glaze hasn't been used in a while, which may be the case. It's a little bit thick. I'm not stirring it like Kool-Aid. I'm vigorously mixing it up with the whisk, and I'll go a couple of different directions. I can feel the whisk is on the bottom of the bucket, but that doesn't mean all of the glaze has been stirred up. This is where this comes in. I put the corner down towards the bottom of the bucket, and I scrape around the corners, and I scrape it along the bottom. And there's no buildup here, which means it's stirred up properly. And the next video will be of me dipping.